Hey everyone, Ashley here, and I'm doing another lip combo video. I actually did this before, like over there, and my lighting was really weird, so I decided to move, and I did it over here, and it looks a lot better. Like, I'm actually, like, in love with this lip combo now. By the way, this lip combo was suggested to me by someone that I'm friends with. I don't know. On Instagram, her name is Mind of Mac, and she suggested this lip combo, so I decided to give it a try, and I really like it. The first color you use is this one in Lovebird, and then this one in Hibiskiss. This is from their, I almost said there. This is from Red Apple Lipstick's new Instant Color collection, and oh my gosh, these two together. I'm trying to think of what this color reminds me of. Kind of like watermelon, but not as red. Like pink berry? I don't know, but this color is gorgeous. I really do like it. I think especially for the daytime. Actually, this is a really good color that you could wear like during the day or at night because it's just enough color, but not like over the top. It's really pretty. I really like it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye.